Handling painful goodbyes, Lesson 7. Goodbyes are always emotionally charged. If not well managed, they may cause stress-related illnesses and psychological breakdown.
It is important to remember this. Number 1. Some goodbyes are not eternal.
Some situations are not meant to last forever. It may take a long time to revert to normalcy, yet you shall overcome.
Number 2. Some goodbyes are eternal.
There are some situations that are irreversible. For example, leg amputation, hysterectomy, vasectomy, retirement, and so on. Accepting these goodbyes as seasons of life is helpful in adapting oneself to the dawn of a new reality.
Number 3. Goodbyes can either break you or build you. Choose the latter.
Losses are crosses that either kill or heal the bearer. Whatever your goodbye, choose a growth-enhancing attitude and avoid a life-limiting one.
Number 4. Goodbyes are welcomes to new horizons.
Remember, Joseph's goodbye to the coat of many colors was a welcome to being a second in command in a foreign land. Daniel's goodbye to freedom of worship was a welcome to the miracle in the lion's den. Jesus' goodbye to life was a welcome to mankind's salvation.
Our prayer is that painful goodbyes may not stall progress. I am yours truly, Soneni Dube.
And I'm Skhumbuzo Dube.
Your thoughts on this lesson? Leave your comments below. Thank you for watching.
Brought to you by Shunem K.